Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Thursday, January 24th. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude in New York rose after an Energy Department report showed that U.S. oil and gasoline stockpiles rose. U.S. oil inventories rose 2.3 million barrels to 289.4 million in the week ended January 18th, the report showed. Crude is trading at $87.13 per barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas advanced in New York on speculation that lower interest rates will help avert an economic slowdown and demand for fuels will rise. Natural gas is trading at 7.741 per million British thermal units. Gold topped $900 an ounce for the first time in a week after global equities rallied on speculation that the Federal Reserve will reduce U.S. borrowing costs further to avoid a recession. Gold is trading at $905.60 per ounce. Silver also rose to $16.29 an ounce. Today we're joined by Paul Brittain from Alaron. He'll give his outlook for the commodities market.
Hi, good morning. This is Paul Brittain with Alaron trading out in Las Vegas, Nevada. All right, U.S. crude inventories rose by 1.5 million barrels to 294.5 million barrels in the week ending January 18th, according to the API Institute report released earlier today. Distilled stocks fell by 362,000 barrels to 135.2 million in the same period, while gasoline stocks went up by 2.5 million barrels to 220 million. That was all released by API today. However, all this news was pretty much a non-event into the market. You saw a little bit of flurry, but the markets are pretty quiet, not doing too much today. In fact, it's one of the quietest days I've seen in about a year. We currently have, the question is, could this be the quiet before the storm? We currently are looking at crude oil prices up 66 cents at 87.65 basis March. March heating oil up 2.33 cents at 243.25. Gasoline down 100.27, 127 at 223.81. Natural gas is up 123. Pretty quiet day all in all in a market that's usually where crude oil is usually swinging $3, $4, $5 a day. The range on crude oil today is $1.65. So it's $1.65 from the high to the low. Pretty quiet. All right, now going over to the metal markets, we see the traders scrambling to reestablish the positions that were apparently liquidated earlier in the week due to the weakness, or actually the almost total decimation of the financial stock market earlier in the week. Expectations of the Fed's lowering interest rates at their next meeting by as much as another half a point are also fueling the push towards higher metal prices based on the anticipated future weakness of the dollar. We have silver. Silver is up 30 cents today at 16.27 basis March. We've got gold up $23 at 911.20, and copper's even up 10 cents at 317.5. Pretty wild day in the metal markets. All right, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you for coming and have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Paul. That's all for your Commodities Open. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us later for the Commodities Recap right here on etvFutures.com.